Hello? Excuse me? Can I practice English with you?
Sure, absolutely.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Scott.
Scott.
What's your name?
My name is Vaudeville.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Yes.
Okay. So, and where are you from?
I'm from America.
America.
Yes.
This is your first time.
Yeah, it's the first time to
First
Luang
time?
Prabang, so
Luang Prabang.
I'm enjoying it.
Are you enjoying here?
Yes, I am.
How do
You like it here?
Yes, of course.
Nice, good. You should.
Yes. How do you feel?
Yeah, it's quite magnificent. I love walking and hiking, and drinking some coconut
Wow,
juice. This is
coconut.
perfect on top of
Perfect.
the mountain. So, yeah, it's great.
Okay. Are you tired?
A little tired, but you know, it's a good tired because you're exercising and you feel strong after, you know. So,
How long have you been here in Luang Prabang?
3 days.
3 days.
3 days.
Okay.
Yes.
Where have you been in Laos?
Vientiane and Luang Prabang.
Vientiane and Luang Prabang.
Yes. So I would like to try to travel after Luang Prabang. So here is the first trip.
Uh-huh.
I'm very excited.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
So, and where have you been in Luang Prabang?
I went to down night market.
Night market.
Yes, it's fantastic, and this is my next big trip. So
Right. Have you tried lab food?
yes,
What kind of food do you like?
lab
Lab.
lab
Wow, lab.
lab is very good. The fish lab,
Fish,
chicken lab,
chicken,
and pork.
pork.
Yes, very good.
Noodle. Do you like it?
Yes, the noodles are good too.
Good.
Yeah. It's, from what I heard, it's really good. So
Very
I would
good.
like to try.
Mm-hmm.
Spicy, right?
Spicy. So, and do you have a lab girlfriend?
No, no. I'm just right now exploring and
Okay.
seeing Lao and
Wow.
enjoying myself here. So, yeah, it's fantastic. You have a Lao girlfriend.
No, I don't
Oh,
have.
so many beautiful
Wow.
women for you.
they are my friend.
Oh, friends. Okay. Well, good. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
What do you think about English in the future for Lao people?
Oh, yes. I hope that it's something that it can be universal. Many people speak it, and I see that especially the younger generation is learning a lot, which is really good. And you're case in point. You speak really good English.
Wow, thank you. And do you like any sport or?
Yes. I like to. I think badminton is is a popular sport here, right? Yes, it's fun to watch. And football.
Football? What team do you like? Which team do you like? Football.
Manchester United.
Wow, the same.
The same.
The
Oh,
same
there
too.
we
Wow,
go.
okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's good.
Right, good.
Good.
Okay, thank you so much.
Of course, thank you.
Okay,
Handshake.
thank you. ขอบใจหลายๆ Okay, thank you so much.
That's good.
Okay.
Yeah. Good job. High five. That's good.